राम राम सारियानो। आज हम EMRS हॉस्टल वार्डन एग्ज़ाम 2025 के लिए नॉलेज ऑफ ICT कंप्यूटर की नॉलेज का अपना आज का चैप्टर है ग्लोसरी। तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट ग्लोसरी। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। हॉस्टल वार्डन एग्ज़ाम से रिलेटेड सारा मटेरियल इस चैनल पर आपको मिलेगा एग्ज़ाम से पहले। तो प्लीज़ आप है ना रिवीजन पर्पस के लिए और स्पीड से पूरा सिलेबस कवर करने के लिए प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। ग्लोसरी। अक्सेस टाइम यानी द टाइम इंटरवल बिटवीन द इंस्टेंस एट विच डाटा इज कॉल्ड फ्रॉम अ स्टोरेज डिवाइस एंड द इंस्टेंस व्हेन डिलीवरी बिगिंस। नेक्स्ट, accumulator यानी a local storage area called a register in which the result of an arithmetic and logic operation is formed. Next, active cell यानी it refers to the currently selected cell in a spreadsheet. It can be identified by a bold outline that surrounds the cells. Next, active window यानी it is the currently focused window in the current window manager. Next, algorithm यानी in computing an algorithm is a procedure for accomplishing some tasks which given an initial state will terminate in a defined end state. Next, alphanumeric यानी a character set that contains letters, digit and other special characters such as earth rate, dollar plus star, percentage, etc. Next, analog computer, a computer that operates on data which is in the form of a continuous variable physical quantities. Next, animation यानी it is the process of making the illusion of motion and change by means of the rapid display of a sequence of static image that minimally differ from each other. Next, antivirus यानी it consists of computer programs that attempt to identify threat and eliminate computer viruses and other malicious software malware. Next, application software यानी it is a subclass of computer software that employs the capabilities of a computer directly to a task that the user wishes to perform. Next, archive यानी it provides backup storage. Next, arithmetic logic unit ALU यानी it is a part of the execution unit, a core component of all CPUs. ALU are capable of calculating the results of a wide variety of basic arithmetical and logical computations. Next, artificial intelligence यानी फिफ्थ जनरेशन computing devices based on artificial intelligence are still in development, though there are some applications such as voice recognition that are being used today. Next, ASCII यानी American Standard Code for Information Interchange यानी it is a character set and a character encoding based on the Roman alphabet as used in modern English and other Western European language. Next, assembler यानी a program that translates mnemonic statement into executable instructions. Next, attribute यानी the characteristics of an entity are called its attributes. Next, authentication यानी any process by which a system verifies the identity of the user who wants to access it. Next, auxiliary memory यानी it is also known as secondary memory that is not directly addressable by the CPU. Next, backspace key, यानी this key is used to delete the text. Backspace will delete the text to the left of the cursor. Next, backup, यानी a copy of a file or other item of data made in case the original is lost and damaged. Next, bandwidth, यानी the maximum amount of data that can travel in a communication path in a given time, measured in bits per second, bps. Next, barcode, यानी it is a machine readable representation of information in a visual format on a surface. Next, batch file, यानी it is a text file that contains a sequence of commands for a computer operating system. Next, binary coded decimal, BCD, यानी a coding system in which a 4-digit binary number represents each decimal digit from 0 to 9. Next, bit, यानी it is the most basic information unit used in computing and information theory. Next, blog, यानी it is a discussion or informational site published on the World Wide Web. Next, bomb, यानी a type of a virus designed to activate at a specific date and time on your computer. Next, Bluetooth, यानी it permits a wireless exchange of information between computers, cell phones and other electronic devices. Next, booting, यानी it is a bootstrapping process which starts the operating system when a computer is switched on. Next, browser, यानी a special software that enables users to read, view web pages and jump from one web page to another. Next, buffering, यानी the process of storing data in a memory device, allowing the devices to change the data rates, perform error checking and error retransmission. Next, bug, यानी it is an error, flaw, failure or fault in a computer program or system that produces an incorrect or unexpected result. Next, bus, यानी a circuit that provides a communication path between two or more devices of a digital computer system. Next, byte, यानी it is commonly used as a unit of storage measurement in computers regardless of the type of data being stored. Next, cell, यानी a box in a spreadsheet in which you can enter a single piece of data. Next, central processing unit, CPU, यानी it performs the actual processing of data. The CPU is generally called by its generic name, processor. It is also known as the brain of computer. Next, channel, यानी a communication channel can be a physical link such as a cable that connects two stations in a network, or it can consist of some electromagnetic transmission. Next, chatting, यानी typing text into a message box on a screen to engage in dialogue with one or more people via the internet or other network. Next, chip, यानी a tiny vapor of silicon containing miniature electric circuits that can store millions of bits of information. Next, client server, यानी it is a network architecture which separates the client from the server. Each instance of the client software can send requests to a server or application server. Next, command, यानी it is a directive to a computer program acting as an interpreter of some kind in order to perform a specific task. Next, compile, यानी it is the process of converting high-level languages to machine language. Next, compiler, यानी it is a computer program that translates a series of instructions from high level language to machine language. Next, cookie यानी a packet of information that travels between a browser and the web server. Next, communication protocol यानी it is a system of rules that allow two or more entities of a communications system to transmit information. Next, computer network यानी it is a system for communication among two or more computers. Next, computer graphics यानी these are visual presentations on a computer screen. Examples are photographs, drawings, line arts, graphs or other images. Next, control panel यानी it is the part of window menu accessible from the start menu which allows users to view and manipulate basic system settings and controls. Next, computer worm यानी it is a self replicating computer program similar to a computer virus. Next, control unit यानी it is the part of a CPU that directs its operation. The outputs of this unit control the activity of the rest of the device. Next, crawler यानी it is an internet bot that systematically browse the world wide web typically for the purpose of web indexing. It is also called a web spider. Next, cryptography यानी the conversion of data into a secret code for transmission over a public network. Next, cut यानी to remove an object from a document. Next, data यानी it is a collection of facts and figures which are not in directly usable form. Next, database यानी it is a collection of logically related information in an organized way so that it can be easily accessed, managed and updated. Next, data entry यानी direct input of data in the appropriate data fields of a database known as data entry. Next, database management system DBMS. It is a collection of various programs. It provides a systematic way to create, retrieve, update and manage data. Next, data processing यानी converting data into information is called data processing. Next, data redundancy यानी it is a condition created within a database or data storage technology in which the same piece of data is held in two separate places. Next, debugging यानी a methodical process of finding and reducing the number of bugs or defects are known as debugging. Next, degree यानी the number of fields associated with the database table or relation. Next, desktop publishing DTP यानी it combines a personal computer page layout software and a printer to create publications on small economic scale. Next, display unit यानी a device with a screen that displays characters or graphics representing data in a computer memory. Next, device driver यानी it is a computer program that enables another program, typically an operating system, to interact with a hardware device. Next, dial-up line यानी a line through which communication established. Next, digital computer यानी a computer that operates with numbers expressed directly as digits. Next, direct access यानी it is the capability of the computer equipment to obtain data from a storage device. Next, directory यानी in computing a directory is an entity in a file system which contains a group of files and other directories. Next, domain name यानी a unique name that identifies a particular website and represents the name of the server where the web pages reside. Next, dots per inch DPI यानी it is defined as the measure of the resolution of a printer, scanner or monitor. It refers to the number of dots in 1 inch line. Next, download यानी it refers to the act of transmitting data from a remote computer on the internet or other network to one's own computer. Next, drag and drop यानी in computer graphical user interface, drag and drop is the action of clicking on a virtual object and dragging it to a different location or onto another virtual object. Next, DVD यानी it is an optical disc storage media format that can be used for data storage including movies with high quality video and sound. Next, dynamic RAM यानी DRAM is a type of random access memory which stores each bit of data in a separate capacitor. Next, EBC DIC यानी extended binary coded decimal interchange code. It is an 8-bit character encoding used on IBM mainframe operating systems like Z OS S390, ES400 and i5 or OS. Next, e-commerce यानी electronic commerce is a type of industry where buying and selling of products or services is conducted over electronic systems such as the internet and other computer network. Next, editing यानी the process of changing information by inserting, deleting, replacing, rearranging and reformation. Next, electronic data processing EDP यानी data processing through equipment that is predominantly electronic such as a digital computer. Next, electronic mail यानी email is a method of composing, sending, storing and receiving messages over electronic communication systems. Next, encryption यानी in cryptography, encryption is the process of encoding messages or information in such a way that hackers cannot read it but the authorized users can access it. Next, end user यानी any individual who uses the information generated by a computer based system. Next, entity यानी it is something that has certain attributes or properties which may be assigned values. Next, error message यानी it is information displayed when an unexpected condition occurs, usually on a computer or other device. Next, Excel यानी it allows users to create spreadsheets much like paper ledgers that can perform automatic calculations. Next, exe यानी it is a common file name extension denoting an executable file program in the DOS MS Windows. Next, execution time यानी the total time required to execute a program on a particular system. Next, expansion slot यानी it is a socket on the motherboard that is used to insert an expansion card which provides additional features to a computer. Next, extranet यानी technology that permits the users of one organization's intranet to enter portions of another organization's intranet in order to conduct business transactions or collaborate on joint projects. Next, fax यानी it stands for facsimile. It is used to transmit a copy of a document electronically. Next, field यानी the attributes of an entity are written as fields in the table representation. Next, file यानी a collection of information stored electronically and treated as a unit by a computer. Every file must have its own distinctive name. Next, file allocation table FAT. It is the name of a computer file system architecture. The FAT file system is a legacy file system which is simple and robust. Next, file manager. File manager यानी it is an operating system utility that provides a user interface to work with file systems. Next, firewall यानी a security system usually consisting of hardware and software that prevents unauthorized persons from accessing certain parts of a program, database or network. Next, flow chart यानी these are the means of visually representing the flow of data through an information processing system, the operation performed within the system and the sequence in which they are performed. Next, foreign key यानी a field in a database table which links it to another related table. Next, format यानी to set margins, tabs, font or line spacing in layout of a document. Next, Fortran यानी its name stands for Formula Translating System. The language was designed at IBM for scientific computing. Next, freeware यानी a form of software distribution where the author retains copyright of the software but makes the program available to others at no cost. Next, file transfer protocol FTP यानी this protocol is used to transfer files from one place to another on internet. Next, function key यानी a special key on a computer keyboard or a terminal device's keyboard that is used to perform specific functions. Many keyboards have function keys labeled from F1 to F12. Next, garbage in, garbage out GIGO यानी it pertains to the fact that most computer errors are not machine errors. They are data errors caused by incorrect input data. Next, gateway यानी a device that is used to join together two networks having different base protocols. Next, gigabyte यानी GB. It is a unit of information or computer storage equal to approximately 1 billion bytes. Next, gigahertz GHz यानी a measurement used to identify the speed of the central processing unit. 1 gigahertz is equal to 1 billion cycles per second. Next, graphics interchange format GIF यानी a simple file format for pictures and photographs that are compressed so they can be sent quickly. Next, graphic tablet यानी it is an input device which is used to create images etc. Next, graphical user interface यानी GUI यानी it is a method of interacting with a computer through a metaphor of direct manipulating of graphical images and widgets in addition to text. Next, hacker यानी a computer criminal who penetrates and tampers with computer programs or systems. Next, hang यानी to crash in such a way that the computer does not respond to input from the keyboard or mouse. Next, hard copy यानी it is a printed copy of information from a computer. Next, hard disk यानी it is a non-volatile data storage device that stores data on a magnetic surface layered onto disk platters. Next, hardware यानी the mechanical, magnetic, electronic, and electrical components that comprises a computer system such as CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc. Next, high-level programming language. It is a programming language that is more user-friendly to some extent, platform independent and abstract from low-level computer processor operations such as memory accessage. Next, home page. Home page यानी a starting point or a doorway to the website. It refers to the web page that identifies a website and contains the hyperlink to other web pages in the website. Next, host computer. Host computer यानी a computer that provides information or a service to other computers on the internet. Every host computer has its own unique host name. Next, hub. Hub यानी a network device that connects multiple computers on a LAN so that they can communicate with one another. Next, hybrid computer. Hybrid computer यानी these computers are made by taking the best features of the analog computer and digital computer. Next, hyperlink. Hyperlink यानी an image or portion of text on a web page that is linked to another web page. Next, hypertext markup language यानी it stands for HTML. Hypertext markup language. It is mainly used for designing websites. Next, hypertext transfer protocol HTTP यानी it is an important protocol used on the World Wide Web for moving hypertext files across the internet. Next, icon. Icon यानी a symbol such as a picture or a folder that represents a certain function on your computer. When the user clicks on the icon, the appropriate function is executed. Next, information. Information यानी it is the summarization of data according to a certain predefined purpose. Next, input. Input यानी in order to give instructions to a computer, the information has to be supplied to it. Next, instant messaging यानी IM, a chat program that lets people communicate over the internet in real time. Next, instruction. Instruction यानी a command or order given to a computer to perform a task. Next, interface. Interface यानी a device or program that helps a user to communicate with a computer. Next, interpreter. Interpreter यानी a program that converts and executes the source code into machine code line by line. Next, internet. Internet यानी a vast computer network linking smaller computer networks worldwide. Next, internet surfing. Internet surfing यानी to search something on internet is called internet surfing. Next, internet service provider. Internet service provider ISP यानी it is a business organization that offers users to access the internet and related services. Next, integrated circuits. Integrated circuits यानी multiple electronic computers combined on a silicon chip. Next, Java. Java यानी a programming language used to create mobile applications, softwares, etc. Next, JavaScript. JavaScript यानी it is an object-oriented programming language used to create interactive effects in a web browser. Next, JPEG. JPEG यानी Joint Photographic Experts Group यानी it is a commonly used method of lossy compression for digital photography. Next, joystick. Joystick यानी it is a computer peripheral or general control device consisting of a handheld stick that pivots about one end and transmits its angle in 2 or 3 dimensions to a computer. Next, kernel. Kernel यानी it is the fundamental part of a program such as an operating system that resides in memory at all times. Next keyboard यानी this is the standard input device attached to all computers. The layout of a keyboard is just like the traditional typewriter of the type QWERTY, QWERTY. Next keystroke यानी it is the process of pressing button in a keyboard. Next kilobyte यानी KB यानी it is a unit of information or computer storage equal to 1024 bytes. Next LAN यानी local area network. In a LAN local area network, the connected computers are geographically close together. They are either in the same building or within a smaller area. Next laptop यानी it is a small lightweight and portable battery powered computers that can fit onto your lap. They each have a thin flat and liquid crystal display screen. Next light pen यानी a light sensitive style for forming graphics by touching coordinates on a display screen, thereby seeming to draw directly on the screen. Next link यानी a communication path between two nodes or channels. Next Linux यानी it is an open source operating system, meaning that the source code of the operating system is freely available to the public. Next list processing यानी Lisp यानी a high level programming language suitable for handling logical operations and non-numeric applications. Next login यानी it is the process by which an individual gains access to a computer system by identifying and authenticating themselves. Next log off यानी it is a process of withdrawal from a function after performing program. Next low level language यानी it is a assembly language which is used in a computer. It was mostly used in first generation computers. Next machine language यानी the language of a computer, also called binary language. Instructions in this language are written as a sequence of 0 and 1s. Next main memory यानी a volatile and speedy memory. It is divided into two parts, RAM and ROM. Next malware यानी it is a software that disrupts normal computers functions or sends a user's personal data without the user authorization. Next mass storage यानी it is referred to storage where large volumes of backup or data is stored. Next megabyte यानी MB यानी 1 megabyte is equal to 10,48,576 bytes, usually rounded up to 1 million bytes. It is also called a meg. Next memory यानी temporary storage for information including applications and documents. Next menu bar यानी the horizontal strip across the top of an applications window. Each word on the strip has a context sensitive drop down menu containing features and actions that are available for the application in use. Next merge यानी combining two or more files into a single file. Next microcomputer यानी a microprocessor based computer consisting of an CPU, internal semiconductor, memory, input and output sections and a system bus, all on one or several monolithic IC chips inserted into one or several PC boards. Next microprocessor यानी complete central processing unit CPU contained on a single silicon chip. Next MIDI Music Instrument Digital Interface, यानी it allows a computer to store and replay a musical instruments output. Next, mini computer यानी considered to be more capable than a microcomputer but less powerful than a mainframe. Next, mnemonic यानी a symbolic label or code reminder that assists the user in remembering a specific operation or command in assembly language. Next, modem यानी modem modulator or demodulator, यानी it refers to specific equipment that provides a means of communication between two computer systems over conventional telephone lines. Next, monitor यानी the usual readout device of a computer system. A monitor can be in several forms: a cathode ray tube CRT, a liquid crystal display LCD, or a flat panel full color display. Next, multitasking यानी it can simultaneously work with several programs or interrelated tasks that share memories, codes, buffers, and files. Next, multi-threading यानी it is a facility available in an operating system that allows multiple functions from the same application packages. Next, multimedia यानी software programs that combine text and graphics with sound, video, and animation. A multimedia PC contains the hardware to support these capabilities. Next, network यानी it is an interconnection of two or more than two computers. Next, network interface card यानी NIC, यानी this is a part of a computer that allows it to talk to other computers via a network protocol like TCP or IP. Next, nibble यानी a sequence of 4 adjacent bits or a half byte. A hexadecimal or BCD coded digit can be represented by a nibble. Next, node यानी the endpoint of a network branch or the junction of two or more branches. Next, non-volatile memory यानी a memory where stored data remain undisturbed by the removal of electrical power. Next, notebook यानी a portable computer that can fit into a briefcase. It is used as a personal computer. It is also called a laptop. Next, object यानी something that contains both the data and the application that operate on that data. Next, offline यानी it refers to the state in which a computer is temporarily or permanently unable to communicate with another computer. Next, online यानी it refers to the state of being connected to the networked computer system or the internet. Next, operating system यानी a set of instructions that tells a computer on how to operate when it is turned on. It sets up a filing system to store files and tells the computer how to display information on a video display. Next, output यानी data that comes out of a computer device. Next, patch यानी a small program that improves an existing piece of software or corrects an error in it. Next, personal computer यानी PC यानी a single user computer containing a central processing unit CPU and one or more memory circuits. Next, piracy यानी the illegal copying of software or other creative works. Next, pixels यानी an acronym derived from picture element, the smallest element dot on a display screen. Next, plugin yani this is a program that your browsers uses to manipulate a downloaded file. Next, portrait yani a term that designates the position of a conventional printing across the width of a page. Next, post office protocol. Post office protocol POP yani a protocol that specifies how a personal computer can connect to a mail server on the internet and download email. Next, primary key yani it is a key that uniquely identifies each tuple or row in a table. Next, process any a collection of code, data and other system resources, including at least one thread of execution that performs a data processing task. Next, program yani a set of instructions to perform a specific task. Next, programming language yani a vocabulary and set of grammatical rules for instructing a computer to perform specific tasks. Next, printer yani a mechanical device for printing a computer's output on paper. Next, protocol yani a set of rules that defines exactly how information is to be exchanged between two systems over internet. Next, pseudocode yani it is a shorthand way of describing a computer program. Next, query yani a request for information from a database. Next, random access memory, RAM yani a volatile semiconductor storage structure that accesses temporary data with a random or direct accessing method. Data in this memory can be read by the CPU directly. Next, read only memory, ROM yani a semiconductor memory whose data cannot be erased or overwritten. It can only be accessed read for use by the CPU. Next, record yani a collection of all the information pertaining to a particular entity instance. Next, register yani a temporary storage unit for quick direct accessible of a small amount of data for processing. Next, remote server yani a network computer that allows a user on the network from a distant location to access information. Next, router yani a network device that enables the network to reroute messages it receives that are intended for other networks. The network with the router receives the message and sends it on its way exactly as received. Next, routing yani the process of choosing the best path throughout the LAN, local area network. Next, scanner yani an electronic device that uses light sensing equipment to scan paper images such as text, photos, illustrations and translate the images into signals that the computer can then store, modify or distribute. Next, search engine yani software that makes it possible to look for and retrieve information on the internet, particularly the web. Some popular search engines are Ultra Vista, Google, Hotbot, Yahoo, Web Crawler and Lycos. Next, sector yani a section of a recording track on a magnetic disk. Next, sequential access yani it is a class of a data storage device that reads stored data in a sequence. Next, server yani a computer that shares its resources and information with other computers on a network. Next, shareware यानी a software that is not free but is available for a free trial period. Next, simplex. Simplex यानी transmission of data in one direction only. Next, software यानी the set of computer programs, procedures and associated documentations related to the effective operation. Next, source code यानी source program, a set of computer instructions in hard copy or stored form. Next, spam यानी irrelevant or unsolicited messages sent over internet, typically to large numbers of users for the purpose of advertising, phishing, spreading malwares, etc. Next, spreadsheet यानी software that allows one to calculate numbers in a format that is similar to pages in a conventional ledger. Next, static RAM यानी it is a type of RAM that contains its contents only whenever current supply is on. Next, subprogram यानी a particular part of a program that complete the special work. Next, supercomputer यानी the largest mainframe computer featuring exceptionally high speed operation while manipulating huge amounts of information. Next, TCP or IP, transmission control protocol or internet protocol. This is a large grouping of programs and standards that govern how information moves around and internet. Next, terabyte यानी TB, it is about a trillion bytes. Actually it is 2 की power 40 or 195 111 62 7 77 76 bytes. Terminal यानी this is what you look at when you are on the internet. It's your computer screen. Next, time sharing यानी it refers to the allocation of a computer resources in a time dependent fashion to run several programs simultaneously. Next, topology यानी the structure of the network including physical connection such as wiring schemes and logical interactions between network devices. Next, trackball यानी input device that controls the position of the cursor on the screen. Next, uniform resource locator URL यानी the specific internet address for a resource such as an individual or an organization. Next, Unix यानी this is an operating system developed by AT&T. It is a big push that it allows on server to serve many different end users at one time. Next, upgrade यानी the process of improve hardware and software functionality. Next, upload यानी the process of transferring information from a computer to a website or other remote location on a network. Next, UPS यानी universal power supply or uninterruptible power supply, an electrical power supply that includes a battery to provide enough power to a computer during an outage to break up data and properly shut down. Next, user यानी a person who uses or operates something. Next, user friendly यानी a software program that has been designed to easily direct the user through the operation or application of a program. Validation यानी the process of making sure that the forms and documents from a particular transaction are correct. Next, video teleconferencing यानी a remote face-to-face chat when two or more people using a webcam and an internet telephone connection and chat online, and the webcam enables both live voice and video. Next, virus Virus यानी a piece of computer code designed as a prank or malicious act to spread from one computer to another by attaching itself to other programs. Next, volatile memory. Volatile memory यानी a memory whose contents are irretrievably lost when power is removed. If data in RAM must be saved after power shutdown, backup in non-volatile memory, magnetic disk, tape or CD-R is essential. Next, website. Website यानी a collection of web pages or hyperlinked web pages which owned by an individual, company or organization. Next, window. Window यानी a portion of a computer display used in a graphical interface that enables users to select commands by pointing to illustrations or symbols with a mouse. Next, wide area network WAN यानी it is a telecommunication network or computer network that extends over a large geographical distance. Next, word processor. Word processor यानी a computer system or program for setting, editing, revising, correcting, storing and printing text. Next, World Wide Web यानी WWW or the web, a network of servers on the internet that use hypertext linked databases and files. It was developed in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee, a British computer scientist, and is now the primary platform of the internet. Next, work group. Work group यानी persons sharing files and data between themselves. Next, workstation. Workstation यानी the next workstation. Next, workstation. Workstation यानी the work area and or equipment used for computer operations, including computer aided design CAD. The equipment generally consists of a monitor, keyboard, printer and or plotter and other output devices. XY plotter. XY plotter यानी next, XY plotter यानी a computer driven printing mechanisms that draws coordinate points in graph form. Next, zoom. Zoom यानी the enlarging or reducing an image displayed on a computer process of proportionately monitor. Next, zip. ZIP. zip यानी John Information Protocol यानी this is an application that allows for the compression of application files. That's all from my side. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें.